Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code in Windows 11. So let's get started. First, open any browser and search vscode. Then click on first site. Now click on download for Windows option. After downloading, click on it. Then setup will start automatically. Just accept the agreement and next. Tick mark the boxes which I am ticking. Then next and install. Now Visual Studio Code is installed, and in further videos I will show you how to set it up for different languages. I hope my video was helpful to you and keep supporting my channel. Thanks for watching.